Alright, welcome back, friends. So, this reading is for the month of September for all the people who are born on the 6th, 15th, or the 24th of any month. It doesn't matter as long as when you add up your numbers and it comes out to be 6. This reading is for you. Let's see how the month of September is going to be like for you. What can we expect? What is going to change? What is going to happen? So the first card we have is the Lover. So apparently the start of your month is, or maybe during the month we are looking at very positive happenings. And then we have the Queen of Cups. So somebody is feeling very emotional. I think with number 6 it's also the number of Venus, so a lot of emotions are involved. I see a lot of emotions being involved. There's a possibility some of you could be getting married, some of you could be getting engaged, or some of you could, for all my singles out there, it could mean that you are finally finding, or you're finally meeting that someone who is going to capture your heart. Then we have the Seven of Pentacles, which means you are going to get this after a lot of hard work. Then we have the Six of Pentacles. I think somebody is going to help you. I think for a majority of people who are going to get into a relationship, I do see it as a sort of relationship where there's going to be there's going to be give and take, as in this person is going to provide you enough. Not only will the emotions be there, so you seem to be the emotional one in the relationship, but this person is going to provide you material abundance, and they are going to be working hard on this relationship and going to provide you material abundance. For a very small majority of you, I do see that there is a possibility for this relationship to have one partner who's dominating and the other partner who's a little submissive, especially the one who has who's embodying the energy of the Queen of Cups. This person is going to be very emotional, and basically they're going to say yes to everything. What else do we have? And then we have the Chariot. There's a potential for this relationship to actually go on to be something else. So if you are married, possibly you guys are going to be working together towards something. And there's also a chance you have been saving money, and somebody is going to give you money, but you are definitely going on a trip. For all my singles, I think, or people who are not married, you might be getting married, and maybe finally planning a trip somewhere. But I do see travel for a lot of you guys. It may be a short travel. Maybe you're not going, you're not flying somewhere, but maybe you could be taking like a road trip or something. Okay, and then we have the Tower card. Let's see, what do we have along with the Tower card? And we have the Sun. So you are going to leave behind something. I think with the Chariot before, some of you could also be relocating, or maybe you're planning to relocate. And also I have the Chariot, and then I have the Sun. So I definitely see travel. I definitely see somebody moving to a different place, like to a new place. That is very interesting. Let's see, what else do we have? And then we have the King of Cups. So finally, this person is also going to be the King of Cups. So, they are going to love you exactly the way you want them to. They are going to express their emotions. If they have not been expressing your emotions, remember when I told you here, they are being very materialistic. Like they are working hard to provide you that material abundance. I think eventually somebody is going to express their feelings, and somebody is finally going to move into an energy where they are more expressive if they have not been expressing before. But I do see all the singles and people who are getting married. I think love, travel is basically the theme of this for all the number 6 people, which is a really amazing thing given that it's COVID time. Let's see, what do we have from our romance oracle. So the first one is release your ex. So possibly moving to a new place, finally getting over that ex, or whatever past energy you had. What else do we have? I think this Tower card, when you finally get married or move on, you could possibly be letting go of that ex and moving to a new direction. Or maybe you are too emotional, and the new person you meet is not as emotional. And then we have engagement. See, I told you, either somebody is getting engaged, somebody is getting married, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So yes, it does make sense. Let me pull one more card to see what else is going on with you guys. So the other card we have is, this could be the one. So maybe the person you're meeting right now, that person is the one. So you have already met the romantic partner you seek. So pay attention to all the people you meet during the month of September. One of them could be the one you end up getting married to.